My name's Greg Lamb. I'm the race director of the Rio Tinto Alcan Dragon Boat Festival. I've been doing this over 10 years and I still paddle. It's one of the largest dragon boat festivals in North America. Vancouver, the festival itself has been going since 1988. Last year was our 25th anniversary, so this is our 26th year. And we have about close to 180 teams. We have like 94 mixed teams, 40 women's teams, 37 junior teams, and about 16 open teams. So it's a pretty, Vancouver's been one of the largest festivals in North America. And so, yeah, I have maybe 10, 20 people that we get ready for the event, and tomorrow I think we have the race officials, starter, finish line, all the people that help to do all the race management on the water. It's good for health, and that's why I'm doing it. I am 60 years old now. I've been doing this since 1988, so I'm still on a team. We still practice twice a week, so it's good exercise. And you know, we're in a beautiful city and we're on the water. You can't ask for anything, you know, better. So, and we have a lot of senior teams now that are 70 years old, 80 years old. There's quite a few. And so tomorrow on Saturday, there will be we call it a Senior C or Grand Dragons race, and all those people are 60 and over. So there are more seniors that are paddling now. This is a multicultural element, so you have everybody from, you know, obviously Chinese people, Caucasian, everybody. Everybody does it. It's a good way, it's a social sport, it's a good way to meet people. So they like it, you know, and you don't have to be, you know, a good athlete to paddle. You can paddle on a recreational team, you can be on a competitive team, you can be disabled. We have visually impaired, we have a transplant team, there's a kidney transplant team, there's all kinds. Breast cancer team. Breast cancer division is, it started here in Vancouver, now it's all over the world. Okay, my name is Greg Lamb, and I'm with G2G Race Management. So I do race management for dragon boat festivals in BC. So I do like 8 of them a year. So I'll do Harrison, and then I'll do Victoria, and then in Steveston, Richmond. But I've done Kelowna, all over the place.
Yeah, this is the second year that I've been doing it. This year I'm doing it with 2 teams, LA Racing Dragons and Bay Area New Generation. So we're from California, USA. And last year, I remember, this is the biggest dragon boat race in North America, so it's a pretty impressive festival. And we got to see some really extremely powerful teams here. So yeah, this is an iconic race for North America. I'm competing with one of the teams. This is the team that I'm racing on, LA Racing Dragons.
Oh, okay.
You can see the logo on the back.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but we're from Los Angeles, California, so we've traveled pretty far to come here. Well, this festival is one of the best ones in North America. So this is a very big dragon boat festival with lots of teams from all around North America. So Vancouver is a fun city to visit. Dragon boating is a great way to do it. So we're here to race our dragon boats and to enjoy Vancouver.
ball to the right, one ball to the left.繼續行落去㗎啦，嗰啲人跟住落睇下橋嗰度啊！
天地自然為氣氛實，東莊園去廣樂泰，北方威神使我見。北方威神使我知，明一見嘅啤年，再行啱啱開天，花王叔壽司為安，富貴小身東天用，天地自然抵氣氛，風中吹風落山，北方威神一天嘅啤年，再行啱啱明高高高天羅班，東方太家一粒分，東方吹風落太。我百開天，光王叔壽司為安，為權羅間，東江係家要分，東西萬天中山神，高言之玉文字中到天地之係嘛？你行先，地之然為氣氛實，東莊園去廣樂泰，北方威神使我。